Whether you are new or a veteran to driving a manual transmission car, you need to watch this video. When you first start learning how to drive stick, one of the scariest things that you are going to come across is being on a hill at an incline and rolling backwards as you put the car into gear. I'm going to show you how to never be afraid of that again. So check this out. I am in neutral right now. If I take my foot off the brake, I'm going to roll backwards, as you can see. How do you stop that from happening? You put it in gear. You're going to want to take your foot off the clutch very slowly and then work with the brake, and you're going to start to hear the engine rumble a little bit. That's when you give it some gas. Boom! We're already moving forward. I recommend you go to a place that has a small hill that is in a parking lot. I am in a church parking lot right now. And to get into the parking lot, it just had a little slope. Go on a day when it's not so busy with a friend or family member, and you can learn very easily. You can stall out, you can do this, and then you're gonna realize, wow, I just come off the clutch a little bit easier. Boom, you're moving forward, you give it some gas. That can be a little nerve-wracking, even for me. Once you become more used to it, it'll just be like second nature.